Welcome. If you want to lock apps with password on your Huawei Y6 2019, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now just tap on security and the privacy and select app lock. Click enable. We can set it up as a lock screen password. So we have to draw our pattern, currently log method. We don't want to use the face recognition, and here you can select all apps that you want to lock, and I think that I'm going to lock the Facebook. So right now just go to your home screen and try to open the Facebook application. As you can see right now, the pattern, our protection is required to enter this application. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.